Hey ice lovers, let's dive into our ice maker and show you how to get the perfect ice for your next party. For your information, there's a white protective film on the surface. Feel free to peel it off if you don't like it. Open the door and you will find the manual, a quick guide, and some accessories. The accessories include: if anything's missing or you need more later, just hit up customer service. Place the machine on a flat surface and let it sit for 24 hours before using it. Easy installation in just a few steps. Connect the water supply pipe to the water quick connector, then attach it to the faucet. Connect the other end of the supply pipe to the water inlet, pushing it in completely and securing it with the blue hose clamp. Notice, the drain pipe has different diameters on each end. Attach the larger end to the machine's drain outlet for a snug fit. And don't forget to install the door handle. It's super easy, just screw in 2 screws. Last, sometimes the drain plug here is in the open position, so remember to tighten it. Before using it, make sure the machine is clean to keep it in tip-top shape. Plug in the machine and make sure the water source is turned on. In standby mode, press and hold the timer button for 5 seconds to start a 15-minute self-cleaning cycle. Once the cycle is complete, your ice maker will be all set and ready to go. Make sure there's at least 10 inches of space around the air vent and keep a 2-inch gap on both sides between the machine and the walls. Ideal temperature? Aim for 50° Fahrenheit to 90° Fahrenheit. Press the on and off button to kick off the ice-cold fun. It is recommended to discard the ice cubes in the first 10 minutes without using them. As more ice forms, the bucket will eventually fill up. When it's full, you'll see an ice full symbol on the panel. Just open the door, scoop out the ice, and you're ready to keep making more. Keep in mind, since the machine lacks insulation, ice will melt slowly if left too long. Transfer it to the fridge for storage. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit Euhomy.com and connect with us anytime.